A key feature of the 750ES is its do-it-yourself repair and maintenance features. The 750ES is designed to identify any issues and provide you with precise information about the problem. The seal plate of the 750ES is not only a crucial component of the machine, but also one of the components that can have multiple issues and solutions. In this troubleshooting video, we will guide you step by step through identifying the source of the issue and taking the necessary actions to resolve it, starting with what to do if the seal plate is not heating. Step 1. Check the 20 amp breaker. If the cutoff rod works but the seal plate isn't heating, open the back of the machine and locate the 20 amp breaker. If you see a white tab, the breaker is tripped. Turn the machine off, then press the breaker firmly to reset it. Then turn the machine back on. Now check to see if the seal plate heats up. If it does heat up, you're all set. If not, continue to the next step. Step 2. Check the heat cycle indicator. Look at the heat cycle indicator LED on the front panel. If it is blinking, the seal plate or the IR sensor may be faulty. If it is blinking 3 times, the seal plate has burned out and needs to be replaced. If it is blinking 2 times, the IR sensor is faulty and needs to be replaced. If the IR sensor is faulty, the machine will still cycle, but these cycles will be at a lower temperature to protect the plate. If you determine that the seal plate is the faulty component, skip this section and watch the replacing the seal plate section of this video, which follows after this one. Step 1. Prepare the machine. Turn off the device and remove the screws on either side of the wrapper. Then open the hood and locate the mounting bracket on the right side. Make sure you have a ratchet with a 5/16 socket or a similar tool, as well as a pair of needle nose pliers for the next step. Step 2. Replace the old IR sensor. Remove the 2 bolts holding the mounting bracket in place using a ratchet or a similar tool. Once the bracket is removed, disconnect the wire from the IR sensor. Next, remove the old IR sensor by using a pair of pliers to remove the plastic standoffs holding the sensor in place. Step 3. Install the new IR sensor. Carefully remount the IR sensor to the mounting bracket by lining up the small holes on the back of the sensor with the plastic standoffs and firmly press them into place. Take the wire previously removed from the old IR sensor and plug it into the new IR sensor. Step 4. Reinstalling the mounting bracket. With the sensor replaced and reconnected, position the mounting bracket's holes to line up with the holes beneath the seal plate. Then insert the bolts and tighten them firmly using a ratchet or a similar tool. Now close the machine and turn the machine back on to test the IR sensor. Run a wrapping cycle to make sure that everything is functioning properly. If the seal plate is heating up but at a lower temperature, this indicates that the issue is with the IR sensor and not the seal plate. Return to the previous section of this video to learn about how to replace the IR sensor. Otherwise, let's begin replacing the seal plate with. Step 1. Prepare the machine. Turn off the device and remove the screws on either side of the device and open the hood to locate the mounting bracket on the right side. Remove the 2 bolts holding the mounting bracket in place using a ratchet with a 5/16 socket or similar tool, then set it aside for later. Step 2. Unplug the black and red sets of wires from the board. Follow the black wires from the bottom of the seal plate to the control board on the left side of the device and carefully unplug them. Then follow the red wires from the seal plate to the board and unplug them as well. Be careful not to remove or damage any other elements attached to the board as you do this. Step 3. Remove the remaining bolts and seal plate. Remove the 2 remaining bolts on the left side of the seal plate while holding it in place with your free hand. Once the bolts have been removed, pull the old seal plate off, being careful while pulling the wire through the opening where the seal plate mounts. Step 4. Rewire the new seal plate to the board. Take the black and red sets of wires attached to the new seal plate and run them through the opening beneath where the seal plate mounts. Plug the black and red sets of wires into the control board into the same ports that the old seal plate wires were before. Position the new seal plate so that its holes line up with those on the inside of the device and replace the bolts on the left side first. Then position the IR sensor bracket back into place and screw the bolts in on the right side. Now close the machine, turn the machine back on, and test by running a wrapping cycle. If the 750 ES is still not functioning properly, you may need to call our customer support at 216-341-2022.